I know I'm not fucking tripping.
Take a picture, by Sean. Take a picture and send it to me.
What the
I need
fuck?
to sit down and calm the fuck down. That what you call it, if you want, that was in the drop. They ain't take that because I ain't have it in my body. I had that in my body with my forensics in it.
Man, Sean, it's a dog on the fucking riding lawnmower cutting the fucking grass.
I heard you. That's why I said take a fucking picture.
I got a video of this shit.
I need a fucking laugh right now. I think I'm losing my motherfucking mind, son. I ain't, and you know, this motherfucker Phillips ain't take nothing today, period. I know you hear it in my voice. Ain't doing shit but crying, fucking crying all motherfucking day. And I'm just